Here we have the DocuCutter CC228 card cutting machine, a fully automatic and fully refurbished machine. It handles business cards and postcards, and it is also very durable with 16-point paper, as I will use in my demonstration. The rollers are in very good shape, and the blades on the inside are very sharp. It comes with a side to catch the business cards and a bin for the trash. Sides are very taken care of, in very nice working condition. And I will demonstrate. You have to make sure the waste bin is always intact. And then here is our finished product. You just lift up to remove this. And you can see the business cards here. Produces a very clean cut and very nice business card. And it produces fast pace for many